The Rexing V1PGW-4K dual dash cam offers exceptional clarity with its 4,216 pixels front camera and 1,080 pixels rear camera, ensuring you capture critical details from both perspectives. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, this dash cam allows you to track your location and speed while easily sharing footage through the Rexing Connect app. The 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and advanced WDR technology provide excellent image quality in various lighting conditions, capturing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Designed with a supercapacitor, this dash cam can endure extreme temperatures, enhancing its durability and reliability, while the parking monitor feature adds an extra layer of security. Loop recording and a G-sensor ensure seamless video capture and protection of important footage, with support for high-endurance memory cards up to 256 gigabytes. Installation is straightforward with a rear view mirror mount, and Rexing offers robust customer support along with an 18-month warranty for added peace of mind.